We are moving on to some other stories coming in from the national capital now. Amid the ongoing budget session over here, the Delhi Assembly received a bomb threat for the second consecutive day on Wednesday, which is March 25th, 2026. The dog squad and the bomb squad's personnel actually checked the assembly premises after bomb threats were sent to the assemblies and the speaks at 9:50 a.m. Regardless of the threat, the budget session started at 11 a.m. Let me go across to my colleague Arzu Seth for more on this. Arzu, if you can take us through the details of this second bomb threat that the Delhi Assembly has received today during the budget session.
Well, definitely, today marks the second consecutive day when the Delhi Assembly has received the bomb threat, and the threat has been given through email to the Delhi Assembly Speaker Vijayendra Gupta OSD, and in that it was time is also being mentioned that around 1:40 p.m. the RDS blast will be happen, and that blast will happen in the Delhi Assembly. And also, if we talk about the yesterday, also there was a threat mail that have been given to Delhi Assembly Speaker, and after that, member of the Delhi Assembly Speaker have assured all the member of the House that the concerned security agencies has responded with utmost alertness, and the action has been taken, and also the matter was examined, and all the necessary measures were undertaken, keeping in view the safety and security of every member. Also today itself, right now, also the bomb detention squad is present at Delhi Assembly premises to ensure the safety and security, and also to check in case anything has been found, and also as of now, nothing has been found, and the proceeding of the House was conducted yesterday also without any delay or disruption, and today also itself the assembly session is continued. Yes.
Arzu, if I can also get to know if there are inputs regarding heavy security that has been deployed in and around the Delhi Assembly, because yesterday after the bomb threat, they made sure that there is heavy security presence and security arrangements were tightened in and around the Delhi Assembly.
Well, yes, yesterday also the visuals have come in which we could clearly see, the bomb detention team was checking, the Delhi police was in the premises and checking for anything, as the threat was received. So, yes, the security has been increased, and also we talk about what is being said is that, will discharge its responsibilities fearlessly, and with a deep sense of duty, will remain steadfast in addressing the concern and aspiration of the citizen, and Delhi Assembly will continue. This is what the Vijayendra Gupta, the Delhi Assembly Speaker, has stated yesterday. So definitely, apart from the threats that Delhi Assembly is getting, the session is now currently going on, and no such panic situation is being seen on ground. Everything is normal, but yes, the security is being seen, and also the bomb detention team is right now present inside the premises. Yes.
All right. Thank you so much, Arzu, for all those details on that front. With that, we are wrapping up this bulletin and slipping into a short commercial.